Want to make money while you sleep? Here are 3 passive income investments perfect for beginners, and you can start today. First, dividend-paying stocks. These are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. It's simple. Buy the stock and receive payments, called dividends, just for owning it. Some companies pay quarterly, and you can reinvest those dividends to grow your income over time. Next, real estate crowdfunding. You don't need to buy a house to invest in real estate. Platforms allow you to pool your money with others to invest in properties. You earn passive income through rental profits or appreciation of the property's value, all without managing the property yourself. Finally, peer-to-peer lending. This lets you lend money to individuals or small businesses, and you earn interest on the loan. Platforms connect you with borrowers, and the interest you collect becomes your passive income. Just remember to spread your loans across multiple borrowers to reduce risk. So, to recap, dividend stocks, real estate crowdfunding, and peer-to-peer lending are 3 great ways to generate passive income.